get asked all the time how to get a shirt bright white when bleach dyeing. Hey, it's Jennifer with Pigskins and Pigtails. I've been bleaching shirts for crafting for the last couple of years. In doing this, I've discovered that some shirts turn a bright white, some shirts turn an orange, and some even turn gray. This can be frustrating if you don't want to waste a bunch of shirts to figure out which is going to get the desired look you're going for. To save you the time and expense, I've tested almost 200 of the most popular Bella+Canvas t-shirts. I tested their heirloom jersey, which are the 3001 line of 100% cotton. These are great for screen printed designs. I also tested the Heather, CVC, and Tri-Blend colors, which are great for both screen printing and sublimation. This bleach technique is very popular with sublimation because you can use a colorful tee but still have that white area you need for your sublimation design. To test how these various Bella+Canvas shirts reacted to bleach, I used their color card that includes swatches of all three of these styles that I love to wear. I added bleach to each one of the swatches to see how it would react. I've put my summary of results in a free PDF. You can download this in the link below the video. You can take a look at this for a close-up of each shirt color and how it reacted with the bleach. I've highlighted the shirts that I felt turned the brightest white for me. Hopefully this will help you get a better idea for which shirts to try for your next bleach project and which ones to avoid. Once you have downloaded the file, you can use this as a guide. And now let's talk about the technique to get the best results when you're using bleach dye. First, I'm using 100% bleach. I've found that the no splash bleach doesn't work well. I also do not dilute my mixture. I just pour the bleach directly into a spray bottle. Next, you want to put a piece of cardboard or one of these cardboard shirt forms inside your shirt. This will stop the bleach from going through to the back of your shirt. Now we can place the shirt outside and spray the bleach on top. I'm just randomly spraying the shirt, focusing on making a white circle in the middle of the shirt. I've seen people make templates or hold up their design to make sure that the bleach area is the right size. My biggest tip is to start with a small area. You can always add more bleach as it starts to dry, but you can't go the other way. Now we just let the bleach do its magic. It's 107 in Texas today, so this process only took about 5 minutes or so. But you want to keep an eye on it. Your timing may be different. When the bleach gets to your desired color, whether it's bright white or you want to keep a little bit of the shirt color, you can stop the bleaching process by dunking your shirt in a bucket of 50% peroxide and 50% water. Once I've done this, I take the wet shirts straight to the washing machine where I wash and dry them on a normal cycle. Now that the shirts are dry, you can see the final results. Just as expected from my bleach guide download, these shirts turned bright white and this navy turned gray. One thing I want to note is that the 100% cotton can be sensitive to bleach. This one shirt ended up with a few holes from the bleach, but the other 100% cotton turned out just fine. So just something to keep in mind as you try this process. I think the less time you have it soaking in the bleach, the better chances of avoiding these holes. Now for the fun part, we can take our sublimation design and use it on any of the shirts that have at least 50% polyester. I'm heat pressing at 400 degrees for 40 seconds with a piece of butcher paper on top. You can also screen print on bleach shirts. If you haven't seen my screen printing process using vinyl cut on your Cricut or Caesar machine, I'll link to a beginner video here. This is a great process if you're making shirts in bulk. Screen printing and using this process is very economical, which is a huge plus if you're selling your shirts. If you've learned something new in this video, like and follow my channel for more. You can also check out some of my other popular videos here.